Just a mild spoiler warning for the campaign that they made to go along with this LEGO set, just because by watching me build it, you'll see a lot of the cool secrets that are in the campaign, so, warning. As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to play with Legos. In fact, my YouTube journey and my LEGO journey sort of go hand in hand. My first video that I ever uploaded was in 2008. I was 13 years old, and it was a video called Pain Hurts. Obviously, I didn't know that much about animation or stop motion or frame rate or resolution, but my next at-bat into the LEGO stop motion world was filmed in my bathtub in real water for some reason, because you can't, doesn't matter. It's called Smuggle War.
The President's Daughter and the Spy.
And then keeping with the war violence theme that a adolescent boy loves to attune to, the next one was a POV war film. I had just discovered the Counter-Strike sound library, and so I wanted to make something that used exclusively those sounds. And so that one's called LEGO Wars.
Threat neutralized.
And then fast forward to 2014, my senior year of high school, I am making a Canterbury Tales film. I actually have BTS stills of the setup for this.
That girl. This girl must be mine in spite of any man. Ugh. There are still a lot of people here.
And my most recent attempt at a LEGO movie was not too bad. It still would have been, what, like 5 or 6 years ago at this point, but...
You there. We're almost ready to move to the next location, marked with this red X. Make sure nobody tries to stop us, especially not bear yoga.
Yes, sir.
Alright, cut. That was good.
You know, it can be hard making a movie like this, but fortunately I have a great cast and crew. But I can hear you now. Zach, why are you telling us this? Mostly because I will never have another opportunity to talk about the LEGO movies I've made in the past, and so I'm taking advantage of that. Also, I just wanted to show, like, Legos, super important to me, love them, they're the best. Problem is, they're very, very expensive, and so as an adult, it's like, I don't want to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars on something that you just build and set somewhere. Unless, of course, they made a LEGO set that just happens to be in the genre of things that I'm already buying to set somewhere. So when they released the Dungeons & Dragons LEGO last week, I bought it immediately for $360. This video is about assembling it. Alright, this first one is definitely just the free gift. Ta-da! We don't care about that today. Holy shit. Bro, it's so big. I've never in my entire life owned a LEGO that was this big. I feel really confident that I can get this done this afternoon, but the more people I talk to, they're like, no way. So my goal is to get it done this afternoon. I don't know how to open it. I don't know where to start. Just like... Boy, absurd. Hold on. Look at all these books. So we need one, which I think has just one. Okay, so right out of the gate, this piece is not in. Does this mean it's somewhere else? Hold on. Okay, found it. It's in another bag. Ta-da! It's the bulletin board. And just like that, we have finished the dock side facing part of the inn. Something really cool that I learned with these extra pieces, which I didn't realize, is that they give you hair and other faces if you want your character to be more feminine or masculine. So that's something that's cool. I like that in case you want to gender swap. Something that's really cool about this is it gives you other spells. Becky, please just stand. Another thing that I think is really great is that you take this beer and you add this white stud to the top and it looks like a foamy beer. Isn't that fun? I think the detail in the inside of the inn is so interesting. Like these are the chicken wings and the hot sauce. Then over here you see all the weapons and other accoutrements for the adventures that were here before. I feel like everybody always goes with the chest mimic, so to see a bed mimic is a nice change of pace.
Have you ever done like one of these like Lego-y things?
Not with a Lego. I've done it with some other stuff like these.
Yeah. Like,
but
with that.
Yeah, which is like
dioramas.
Yeah, which is way more interesting. Not more interesting, but like, because a lot of that is like figuring out what to do. Whereas this is very clearly like what to do. Yeah. So
3,704. Wow.
It's look how absurdly intricate this is. That's crazy. That is so sick. Whoa. It's a gelatinous cube. And a big one. Whoa. Damn.
What is that again? Owl there.
I don't understand what this is. Put this little gem in there? And here we have a Displacer Beast, one of Dungeons & Dragons' classic monsters. Longtime followers of the channel will know how much I love this next monster, as it goes way back to one of my earliest videos. Thanks for tuning in to Painting with Zach. Hello, good morning. It's the next day. I was greatly overconfident in my ability to do this all in one day. I was working on it for like 9 hours yesterday, and I still have the whole dragon to do, which is a whole book. It's all these bags, but I got the castle done, and hopefully I can get the dragon done here in an hour. The tips of my fingers hurt so badly. This is truly one of the coolest LEGO sets I've ever... It might be the coolest one. It's so sick. The attention to detail is absolutely incredible, so it's been a lot of fun making this. That's all. That's all I have to say about it. Goodbye. Bro, do you see this piece? Madam, oh, here. I just wanted to say a few final words about this. Honestly, this was one of the most fun things I've done in years, probably. It was just so satisfying to build a Lego. It was so fun to just like play around the details on this one. Truly just a great thing for a nerd like me. A combination of all the things that I love. 10 out of 10, worth every penny. That's all. Thanks for watching.